Greetings in the name of Yahushua Mashiach, Melech of Yasharal, Kohen forever, according to the order of Melchizedek. All esteem, honor, and glory unto our Alua, Yahuwah. My name is Mikael Shalomo. This is MELEK SHELOMOH Trading, and I'm going to play this risk disclosure. Right now I have a lot of Bookmap alerts going off, so read along if it's drowning out the
Absorption
disclosure.
ES sellers at
General disclosure.
$5,522.
All MELEK
Boom.
Shalomoh Trading
Sweep ES
LLC
buyers at
materials, information, and presentations are for educational
$5,521.25.
purposes
Whoa.
only and should
Stock
not
run
be
ES
considered
sell
specific
wipeout.
investment advice
Boom.
nor
Sweep
recommendations.
ES sellers at
Risk disclosure.
$5,517.
Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
All right, so let's jump into this trade I took here today. So if you looked at the market analysis video and my trade setups, I was looking for either a breakdown, a retest of floor pivot S1 for a short, or if I get like a reversal around floor pivot S1, I'm looking for a long, right? So right here, we start breaking down from this I think, yeah, second lower deviation, right? We start breaking down. I take a short here, right? Stopped out right here. Took another short when it retested, heading towards the breakdown. Stopped out here. And then I flip long because we're accumulating, right? So this is a bowling green strategy. We're accumulating between -2 and -1 VWAP, right? So let's see. Hold on, let's see here. This was a stop out. This was a long. This was another stop out here. So this was the first attempt of the bowling green right here at 55.1575, just above floor pivot S1, which is at 55.1450, right? So breakout, retest, went long, got stopped out, took the long here again, right? We have exhaustion here. I'm looking for exhaustion on the sell side. Let me just open that up, right? So buy sweeps, sell sweeps. We have a little auction here. We have a breakdown coming down here into the auction. Took the trade here just above -2 VWAP. We did pull back a little bit more, and then we started to push up to the upside, right? So we had volume igniting right here, just below floor pivot S1. We didn't have any further continuation to the downside. Started to auction, pushed up, got the pullback, took it right there. We did kind of bounce around a little bit more. Volume came in. We pushed down. We basically test -2 VWAP right there, and we pushed up from there, right? So after 6 points, I take my first partial. So the first partial was at 55.1850. So the entry was at 55.1250, right? So first partial 55.1850, and that triggers my my trailing stop, which is this purple line right here. So trailing stop executes and starts trailing from 4 points behind, right? So the pop here from the volume started a lot of volatility. You see we have buying sweeps, selling sweeps right there going off, absorption, all kind of stuff going off right here, right? Let's see. My trailing stop is trailing coming up here. Hold on. Right, so I attempted to move my my take profit up a little more because we were accelerating, but I wasn't quick enough, right? So we ran into this liquidity right here at and I took profit here, 12 points in profit, 55.2450. And because of the stop outs and stuff like that, I basically came back to break even at 50. So that was a nice trade here on the bowling green strategy. Recoup some of the losses, and let's see, we're gonna probably look for another setup now. So let's see. Let's see where we're at. All right, so we're basically below S1 again. Let's just zoom out a little bit. All right, so we pushed up above here. We came up to the volume point of control at around roughly 55, 25, 15. So I guess it didn't push up much from my take profit. We got a high here of, let's see, roughly 55.31. So yeah, it did push up a little more. So we got a reversal here. Let's see. Kind of like a distribution structure. Not really. Kind of a little bit. We have a buying climax, pullback, up trust, and then we have the LPSY. So yeah, a little distribution pattern here at the volume profile, at the VPOC, and we're breaking down. So this could be another LPSY right here. So let's see if this is playing out here. So this could be another lower point of supply, but it looks like some news is coming out here. All right, so definitely news because the book had cleared right there, and then we get the volatility. So all right, yo, so that's my trade recap, the bowling green strategy. We're back to break even after a couple losses, trying to go short on the 360 fire, then flip to the long side after the accumulation was evident at floor pivot S1, and we're still back at floor pivot S1 right now. So let's see if we have any more setups coming in. All right, y'all, shalom.